This is Jumpstart number 2, how to get started reloading primers for beginners, and today's topic will be H48. This is of course the sequel to Jumpstart number 1, which I hope you watch first. With H48, go to Home, More, and H48. You want to click on all 4 of these ingredients, but you want to click on these 4 ingredients and it'll bring you to the website in which to order them. I highly recommend you just buy the ground glass and don't try to grind it up yourself, as I did. I did it the hard way. I made a lot of mistakes doing it that way. Don't be an idiot like I did, especially putting your finger in there. You can get a lot of shards of glass in your fingertip. There are so many different mistakes I made. I need to remake that video. But anyway, I digress. Ground glass, sulfur, baking soda, again, you can find at the grocery store, and potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate, also add that to your cart. That one's currently in stock, but at $6 for a 2-pound bag. I don't know how much shipping is, but it's well worth purchasing it the first time just to make sure you got the right ingredient. But you can make potassium chlorate out of chlorine bleach and a product called Pool Shock for cleaning your outdoor swimming pool, or a product called No Salt. It's a salt substitute, but that is the source of potassium for this particular one. But anyway, I would purchase these 4 ingredients and combine them according to Marshall's recipe. Combine them using this method. I made this recipe, or I made this video maybe a dozen years ago. Can't believe I've been reloading primers for that long. But anyway, this is what we call the diaper method. And use a regular piece of just plain old copy paper, printer paper from Staples or Office Depot. Don't use wax paper like I did here. You lose too much material in the pores of the wax paper. But that's how you combine H48. Anyway, watch that video for how to combine it, and you have a reliable recipe for making primers. But again, this recipe, H48, a product called Primol, which you can purchase, and they will send you small packets of this all in one shipment. It's a quick and easy way to obtain these 4 ingredients, but you're going to pay perhaps 20 times more for the same ingredients. But anyway, it's a way to get started. Another way is to use Marshall's manual and go down to page 12 and just punch out 2 red roll kid caps you may have played with as a kid. Punch 2 of them out, stack 2 of them on top of one another, blister side up, reinstall your anvil, and you have a reliable but corrosive small pistol primer. I think this is the fines, or ground up smokeless gunpowder. It's another way to get a little bit more pep or power out of your primer. Oh, by the way, these are German red roll kid caps, not those cheapo Chinese ones. Don't waste your money there. Anyway, I mentioned H48 because it's old and reliable, but the downside is that it's corrosive to your barrel. Next up is EPH20, a non-corrosive formula. This is Mark on aardvarkreloading.com. If you have the financial means, donations on Patreon would be appreciated, but not required. Details below. And if you have technical questions, please join me at the MeWe group called Primer Reloading. Hope to see you there.